Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Microsoft Office for PC, laptop, desktop, either on Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Install it and also activate it on your Windows computer. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. All this you are going to do for free. That shows you'll be able to download and install the Microsoft Office or the MS Word on your laptop for free. So the first you want to do is open File Explorer on your PC or on your laptop. Once open the File Explorer on your laptop, locate on the left side, click on this PC. Then select either local disk C or local disk D, or if you have any other disk, just go ahead and select the disk on your Windows. Once open it, right click, then select new and then select folder. Then give this folder a name. I'm going to give this folder Microsoft Office. So I'm just going to say Microsoft Office install. Now that is the folder name, like this. Now the next thing you want to do now is minimize this, open the browser on your laptop and search for Office customization tools. So just open a browser. This could be Chrome, Opera or Edge browser. Just open any browser. Search for Office customization tool in search engine. Then click on the first result. You see Office customization tool, Microsoft 360 App Admin Center. Click on that. Then once you click on it, this is going to open the Office customization tool website. The first thing you want to do here is come to which architecture do you want to deploy. So here I'm going to deploy 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, make sure you deploy 32-bit. After that, scroll down, come to where you see Office Suite. Click on the select Office Suite product, and in this case I'm going to select Office LTSA Professional Plus 2024 volume license. Select that as well. So this will allow you to download and install the Microsoft Office 2024 for free. Then again, scroll down and scroll down until you get to language. Here, select language. Now, instead of selecting English or your language, what you just need to do is locate select primary language, click on select language and select match operating system. So this is going to match your Windows operating system. So if your Windows language is in Arabic, then you are going to download the Office customization tool in Arabic language. So here, I just choose match operating system. So this is going to make sure the customization tools I download matches my Windows operating system. Now go ahead and click on export thereafter. Then this file is going to be downloaded and exported to your Windows computer. But before then, where you see default file format, you need to select Office Open XML format. So this is important. So go ahead, select that and click on OK. Accept to the terms and conditions from the pop and then click on accept. Once you hit the accept button, you should see the file downloaded. Now click on the download button here. So click on that. Then on the file you downloaded, click on file location. This will take you straight to your file location. On the file location, right click on the file and cut. Then select this PC on the left side of the page. Open your local DC. Select the Microsoft folder you created. So in this case, we have the Microsoft Office installed. Right click and then paste the file you copied. Then again, open your browser still and search for Office Deployment Tool. So search for this file on your web browser as well. Then click on the first result where you say download Office Deployment Tool from official website. Click on that. Now what you need to do here is so simple. Just scroll down, locate and hit the download button. Once you hit the download button, this is going to download the file as well. Then click on show in folder. Then on the show in folder page, right click on the downloaded folder. Choose cut to cut the file from wherever it is. Click on this PC on the left side. Locate the drive you selected and then select the folder you created, Microsoft Office install. then right click and then paste. Now, once you've pasted these two files, the next thing you want to do now is this. Double click on the Office Deployment Tools and click on the Yes button from the pop. Now, once you selected the Yes, check this to accept the Microsoft Software License term and click on Continue. Now, once you hit the Continue button, you need to install the Office Deployment Tool on the same folder where the deployment tool and configuration files are kept. So, scroll through this page, locate this PC, click on it, then open local DC, select the folder you created, this folder, click on OK. Then you should see the Microsoft Office. Click to run administrator to file extracted successfully. Click on OK. Now, once the file is extracted successfully, the next thing you want to do is this. Come back to the local disk C. On the local disk C, just minimize everything you have on the screen. Then click on the Start button. Search for command prompt. Then select Run command prompt as administrator. So for you to be able to install the Microsoft Office for free, you need to run the command prompt as administrator. Select Run as administrator and select Yes from the pop. Now once you selected Yes, the next you want to do is first type cd / enter. Then go back to the File Explorer where the file is saved here. You have Microsoft Office installed, right click on it and then copy as path. If you're using Windows 10, right click on it, press the Control button and then copy as path. Now once you copy this as path, go back and open the command prompt. The next thing you want to do now is press cd space and then Ctrl V. Once you pasted the path you copied from the disk C, click enter. Now it should be taken to the directory straight on the command prompt. Now the next thing you want to do here is this. You want to make sure you type this command as it is. Confirm that you have this command typed correctly. Otherwise, you'll not be able to install the Microsoft Office for free. So go ahead and type in the command correctly and then click on enter. Then once you hit enter, you should see getting ready. Now once you open that, this is going to download the Microsoft Office on your Windows computer. Then you should say please stay online where Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. So this is going to download Microsoft Office, Excel, and all other packages for free on your Windows computer. Now let's come back after this has downloaded on my Windows 11 computer. Now after about 20 minutes, the Microsoft Office has downloaded successfully and installed on my Windows. Now to open it, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, search for Microsoft Office, and then you should see Word, or better still, search for MS Word, and then open it. Hang on, you should see MS Word like this. Then this is it. You may be prompted to accept terms and conditions, just like this. Accept the license terms and conditions. Go ahead and click on accept. Once you hit the accept button, click on next. Then getting better together, if you want to send your data, click on send data. In this case, I'm just going to choose don't send personal data, and then you're good. You can now go ahead and start using your Microsoft Office like this. Then open a blank space and then you are good. You see that? So that is basically how to download Microsoft Office for free on Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 on your laptop and desktop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.